Anwyl brodyr a Florydd ar rhan ein hysgob a'n deon, mae'n blesar cael eich croesawu chi yma heddiw i Eglwys Santeinol, Eglwys Gadeirol, Esgobaeth Bangor. Ac wrth gwrs, mae bod yma ar y safle hwn yn gwbl addas oherwydd mae pobl wedi bod yn addoli a cael ei dysgu yma ers y chweched ganrif. Ac felly does dim gwell lle i gydnabod eich gallu a chwyddiant fel coleg ac fel unigolion. Brothers and sisters, on behalf of our Bishop and Dean, it is a great pleasure to welcome you here today to the Church of St. Daniel, the Cathedral Church of Bangor Diocese. And of course, it is quite fitting for us to be here today to celebrate all your achievements as a college and as individuals, as this site has been a centre of prayer and learning since the 6th century. Many a scholar has sat where you are sitting now and gone on to achieve great things in many different disciplines. And I'm sure I, alongside many of your tutors, will be watching out for your names in the future. So once again, welcome to Bangor Cathedral, Croeso I Gadeirlan Bangor. We now turn to our order of the day, and we sing our first hymn, Model Arglwydd Nef y Nefoedd.
Ysgrifennu chi i sermoni radio yma sydd eleni am y tro cyntaf yn dathlu llwyddiant y myfyriwr o Goleg Menai ac hefyd Coleg Meirion Dwyfor. Dwi'n estyn croeso cynnes arbennig i'n gwesteion mynedig, i'r Pwyfair Dinas Bangor, Mr Derek Hayes, Cadeirydd Cyngor Ynys Môn, Cynghorydd Jim Evans, Is-Cadeirydd Grŵp Llanello Menai, Dr Griff Jones, a Cynghorydd Gilwyn Morgan, sef Cyn-Cadeirydd Gwynedd. We are celebrating the success today of higher education students from both Coleg Meirion Dwyfor and Coleg Meirion Menai at this ceremony. And my colleague Lisa Wynne, Principal of Coleg Meirion Dwyfor, will be presiding over the ceremony today in the absence of our colleague Dennis Lewis, who is Principal of Coleg Menai. I'm also very pleased to welcome the senior representatives of the two universities with whom we work in partnership to provide the higher education courses here at Coleg Menai and Coleg Meirion Dwyfor. Yn cynrychioli Prifysgol Bangor, Dr Osian Rhys, ac yn cynrychioli Prifysgol Glyndŵr, Rhys Genhedor, Dr Maria Hinfelar. Dyma ein unfed ar 15 ceremony, ac rydym yn ffodus iawn eto eleni i allu ei chynnal yn yr adeilad hanesyddol godidog yma. Dydy'r wefr o gael cynnal y ceremony yma yn mynd dim llai o'n flwyddyn i flwyddyn. Rydym yn ddiolchgar iawn i'r esgob a'i staff am barhad o'r cefnogaeth. We're very grateful for the support of the Bishop and the Canon, and this reflects their continuing commitment to education and hopefully Group Menai's commitment to the communities that we serve. Mae hwn yn ddiwrnod o ddathlu gyda'n gilydd, ac yn rhywbeth falch i estyn llongyfarchiadau i bawb sy'n cael ei gofrio yma heddiw. Ac rhai nad ydyn a rhai sydd ddim gallu bod hefo ni heddiw. Mae'n werth nodi bod llawer o'r rhai sydd yn derbyn cymwysterau wedi bod yn astudio'n pan amser a gyda rhywbeth gwaith yn ei gwneud yn anodd iawn i ni fod efo ni gyda ni yma heddiw. We are in the 5th year of operation at Group Llanello Menai, and I'm pleased to report that it has been a very successful one, despite turbulent funding times in the education sector. What we can be certain of is that Group Llanello Menai and its 3 colleges, Coleg Menai and Coleg Meirion Dwyfor and Coleg Llandrillo, will still be great places to study and to succeed, and that the community's dedicated tutors, managers and support staff will do all that they can to ensure that this continues to be so. We have very recent evidence of the success of that team through a successful Quality Assurance Agency inspection back in February of 2016, which resulted in us being commended for our activity in support of higher education learners. Dwi'n gwybod bod Linda Wynne ac ysbryd Janice yma hefyd yn cytuno efo fi wrth dweud bod llwyddiant y myfyrwyr yn ddibynnol i ran helaeth iawn ar ymdrechaeth tîmod o staff hynod o ddawnus yn y colegau. A hoffwn gymryd y cyfle yma i ddiolch y staff sydd wedi gweithio mor galed i gynrychwylio myfyrwyr yma sydd yn graddio heddiw. I really need to put on record my thanks for the hard work of the staff who have ensured, through their commitment and support, the success of those receiving degrees and awards here this afternoon. Mae hyn yn ddiwrnod mawr i ni i gyd. Mae'n ddiwrnod i ddathlu, ond hefyd i feddwl am y dyfodol a beth fydd eich gyfraniad chi, i'ch teulu, i'ch cymuned ac i'ch gwaith. You should all celebrate today, but also think about the future and what your contribution can be to your community and to your workplace. I can remember graduating in 1975, back in the mid-80s. Very different times back then, cyfnod hollol wahanol i gymharu ag heddiw. Dim mobile phones, dim Facebook, dim Twitter, dim laptop, dim iPad, dim e-bost, dim Sky TV, dim internet, dim online dating. Mae'n siocio. Mae lot fawr o bethau wedi newid, a fe fyddwch chi yn gwynebu byd gwahanol iawn i be fyddwn ni. Ond, serch hynny, mae rhai bethau ddim wedi newid. Some things haven't changed. Employers still value and want to recruit people who show that they are committed, determined and ambitious. They still want to retain and promote people who work hard, are reliable, punctual and can communicate and work well in teams. This country and our society needs people who are responsible, conscientious and think not just about themselves, but about the greater good. We need good citizens. Mae'r profiad o addysg uwch ydych chi wedi gael yn ystod blynyddoedd diwethaf yma wedi helpu chi i ennill y grafiau a'r gwobrau ydych chi dderbyn heddiw. A mi fydd hyn bwysig iawn i chi yn y dyfodol. Ydych chi hefyd wedi dangos y ffaith bod chi'n gallu gweithio'n galed, bod chi'n gallu cyd-weithio gyda'r eraill, a fel ydych chi'n galed that we codi a safon. You have worked as individuals and as teams. You have developed confidence and communication skills. And I think that the awards that you're receiving today not only say something about your academic prowess, but also with more general skills. And so you are now well equipped to support your career, contribute to society, and leading a fulfilling life. Mae sgiliau a'r profiad a'r cymwysterau arnoch chi rwan i ddyn gyrfa llwyddiannus ac i gyfrannu at eich deifas. Felly, i orffen ar ran grŵp Llanfeithlon, pob lwc i chi gyd yn y dyfodol a llongyfarchiadau mawr. Gobeithio dewch chi nôl i ddeitha ni eich hanes os ydych chi ddod yn y blaen. A diolch yn fawr i chi am ddod yma prynhawn yma a mwynhawch y diwrnod. So please welcome Dr. Russian Rees, Head of Quality Assurance from Columbia University, to say a short word.
Well, fraint ac yn anwybedd i mi gael hodiad i ddweud geiriau o ran Brifysgol Bangor a'r achlysur arbennig iawn yma heddiw yma. Good afternoon and a warm welcome to you all. It is both an honour and a privilege for me to be invited to say a few words at today's event on the part of Bangor University. And this event represents a hugely important moment for all of you who are gathered here in this wonderful historical cathedral. The event represents the culmination of a great deal of hard work and in many cases considerable sacrifice, both on the part of you, the students, and you, the family and friends who have supported them over the course of their studies. And I would like to congratulate you all on your success. We live in turbulent times when there are few certainties but many considerable challenges. And the qualifications that you have been awarded today will make you better placed to meet those challenges. Here in Wales, we have always placed a high value on education. Bangor University was built on contributions from local quarrymen in the 19th century. They were not wealthy and they faced many hardships, but they were determined to ensure a better life for their children and their grandchildren. And they believed that the way to do that was through education. And that remains as true today as it was back then. Education is the key to achieving your potential and to building a better society for future generations. Some of our politicians today say that we should not listen to experts. They are, of course, wrong. You are all graduated today because you have achieved expertise in your fields of study. I very much hope that you will continue to excel in those fields and by so doing inspire others with your success. With that in mind, can I congratulate you all once again and wish you the very best for the future. Rhagor eich adael a phob dymuniad gorau ar gyfer y dyfodol. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Lydia Juliet proud to be on behalf of the so multi-talented working locally contributing to the World Executive Training. Okay, one online after the professional. So now it's time to honor the students who achieve professional qualifications at their colleges. Ac mae'n myfyriwr yma o tri coled o ar draws ardal y grŵp. So students in the class. A sy'n yn gofyn i Dr Jones i sgydeirydd bod yn ei gydnabod llwyddiant yn y gyfnod. So please welcome the Vice Chair of Group John Enai Board to students. Felly, sy'n program level 6 o'r arwain y mae sgofal dysgu am ethyddiaeth plant a hefyd. The level 5 diploma in leadership for children's care, learning and development and family practice. Diploma, lefel 5 mewn arwain y maes fasynadau iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol, rheoli gofal preswyl i oedolion. So now the level 5 diploma in leadership for health and social care, which is like adult residential management. Lorna Jones. Rina Sturgeon. Katie J. Owen. Angela Lindy Williams. Rwan, certificate efo pedwar mewn busnes a gweinyddu. The level 4 certificate in business and administration. Polytechnic. Gwyneth Thomas. Leah Evans. Lindman Jones. Ellen Curry. Amber Jones. Rheoli safle arddangosfa Edexcel 4, Edexcel Construction Site Management Level 4. Byrnos Owen. Dyna ni, diwedd cymwysterau proffesiynol. Dwi'n meddwl mewn ffordd sydd i ennill cymwysterau yma, so congratulations to all the successful students. Ymlaen rwan at eraill sydd wedi ennill cymwysterau proffesiynol. A tro yma, Cymdeithas Technegwyr Cyfrifyddi, Association of Accounting Technicians, AAT, Goleg Heroed. Keith Andrew Evans. Bethan Roberts. Carly Williams. Arthur Evans. Rachel Hennessy. Richard Rees. Snoopy Williams. Sarah Kitchen. Susie Williams. Marie Cwrster, Tanya Oldford. Marie Cwrster, Ken, the Association of Accounting Technicians, Stein College, Haverstock. Nora Melinda Jones. Sophie Elizabeth Olio. Cymwyster level 4 mewn rhywun presenter, so the level 4 qualification in project management, College Haverstock, Alison White. Ian Boyd. Wendy Locking. Tracy Smith-Gillibrand. Y diploma level 5 mewn rheoli, the level 5 management diploma from College Haverstock. Janet Farr. Gregory Blue. Peter Bell. John P. Wood. Catherine Adams. Raymond Parker. Claire Padilla. Typowo funkcjonalność fascynującej typowo wydomiąc, to the adult management corporation, Robert Williams. Maladai, so we visited to the construction site management, Excel level 6. Excel construction site management level 5. Graham Dixon. Lines go on at what the Bristol Bay could be and the Bristol and so that they have to siarad digon. Felly dwi am alw nawr o'r canol Eglyn Steffan Williams i gloi ceremony. So, closing remarks from
My brothers and sisters, as we draw our ceremony to a close, let us ask God's blessing upon our future endeavours. Jesus, the light of the world, you gave the man born blind the gift of sight. You opened the eyes and minds of your disciples, and you educated those that sat in darkness. Today, Lord, as we look forward towards new beginnings, we ask your blessing upon us and upon our families. Yn enw Tad a'r Mab a'r Ysbryd Glân, a fo gyda ni o, a phawb yn ei garu, nawr ac am byth. Amen. Fe safon I ganu yr imyn olaf, we stand to sing our final hymn.
Yeah.